In this video, you'll learn how to delete emails from one sender in Gmail. If your inbox is overflowing with messages from the same person or company and you just want to clear them out quickly, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do that in a simple, safe way. We'll start right at the beginning. First, open Gmail. You can do this in any web browser by going to the Gmail website and signing into your account, or by opening the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. For this tutorial, I'll describe the process as you'd see it in a web browser on a computer, but the general idea is similar on mobile. Once Gmail is open, make sure you're in the inbox or the folder where you expect those emails to be. Next, you'll search for the sender's email. At the very top of the page, you'll see the search bar. This is where you can quickly find messages based on who sent them, what they're about, or even specific words inside the email. Click into that search bar and type either the sender's email address or their name as it appears in your inbox. If you know the exact email address, that's usually the most accurate. For example, you might type something like from example@domain.com. Using from before the address tells Gmail you only want messages that were sent by that person. After you type the sender's details, press enter on your keyboard. Gmail will now show a list of all the messages that match your search. Take a quick look through the results to confirm these are the emails you want to remove. This is a good moment to double check that the search isn't pulling in anything important you might want to keep, like receipts, account confirmations, or personal messages. Once you're sure you're looking at the right set of emails, it's time to select all the results. At the top left of the message list, just above the first email, there's a small checkbox. Click that checkbox and Gmail will select all the messages that are currently visible on that page. If you have more than one page of results, Gmail will often show a small message near the top that says something like, select all conversations that match this search. If you see that, click it so that every email from that sender, not just the ones on the first page, is selected. Now that all the emails you want to remove are selected, you're ready to delete them. Look for the trash can icon near the top of the screen, usually along the row of action buttons above your messages. Click the delete icon and Gmail will move all of those selected emails to the trash. Keep in mind that deleted emails are not gone forever immediately. Gmail stores them in the trash folder for a limited time before permanently removing them. If you change your mind soon after deleting, you can open the trash, find the email, and move it back to your inbox or another folder. If you're sure you never want to see them again, you can also empty the trash to permanently remove everything inside. That's all there is to it. By opening Gmail, searching for the sender, selecting all of the results, and clicking delete, you can quickly clean up large batches of emails from a single sender and keep your inbox more organized.